Today, I'm going to show you how to use a slicer to create a really easy to use one-click filter for your data in Excel. So first, we're going to import our data from a CSV file. So that means coming to the data menu and hitting get data using the Power Query. So we're going to choose our data source, which in this case is going to be a CSV file. I'm going to select it from my computer, and here it is in my folder. And I'm going to click next. Now, I'm happy with these options because it is a comma separated file, but you do have other options here. And I'm happy with it detecting the types of data based on only the first 200 rows. So there's kind of enough data for it to work with, but if I selected the entire data set, it might be more accurate if you have a lot of varied data, but take longer. So let's hit load. And there we go, Excel has loaded my data. Now it's in this sort of a quite aggressive green color, so I'm going to come up here and select the light table as standard, so it looks more like classic Excel again. I'm then going to remove the filter button and instead insert a slicer. Now I want to filter my data based on the company make of the car, so I'm going to select that and hit OK, and there is my slicer. Now I can make this any shape or size that I want, so I'm just going to make it a bit longer. And it's already ready to use, so I can select any make of car and it will automatically filter just for that make. There's also an option here to remove the filter. So if I hit that, then there we go, all of our data's back. And you can choose whether you're doing multi-select or not. So now everything's selected, I can just unselect a couple. Or if I clear my filter, select one, and then hit multi-select, I can choose multiple makes, so I can look at them all in one view. So there you go, that's a super easy way to make a super easy to use filter for your data in Excel using a slicer.